Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about top 5 most expensive mobile phones in the world. Number 5. iPhone 3G King's Button, created by Peter Alwasson. This iPhone 3G is made up of 18-karat yellow gold, white gold as well as rose gold. The white gold strip that the phone features is decorated with 138 beautifully cut diamonds and its home button has a big 6.6-carat diamond, price 2.5 million United States dollars. Number 4. Gold Striker iPhone 3GS. This iPhone 3GS is also designed by Stuart Hughes and is made of 271 grams of 22-karat gold. The front bezels host 136 diamonds, its rear logo features 53 diamonds and its home button has a 7.1-carat diamond. The phone is sold in a granite chest, made from a single block of granite. Price 3.2 million United States dollars. Number 3. Stuart Hughes iPhone 4 Diamond Rose. The third most expensive phone is an iPhone 4 that is designed by none other than Stuart Hughes. The phone is made up of solid rose gold and features 500 diamonds that add up to 100 carats. Its logo is decorated with 53 diamonds, while its start button has a 7.4-carat single-cut pink diamond. The phone comes in a gorgeous granite chest of 7 kgs. Price 8 million United States dollars. Number 2. Stuart Hughes iPhone 4S Elite Gold. The second most expensive phone is an iPhone 4s, designed by Stuart Hughes. The bezel of the phone is handmade and encrusted with 500 stunning diamonds of a total of more than 100 carats. Its rear panel and logo are made of 24-karat gold. The logo also features 53 diamonds. The home button itself is an 8.6-carat diamond. The phone also comes with a 7.4-carat diamond, just in case the owner misplaces the 8.6-carat one. The device comes in a chest made from solid platinum with polished pieces of original dinosaur bone from a T-Rex along with rare stones that include opal, petersite, charoite, rutile quartz, star sunstone. Price 9.4 million United States dollars. Number 1. Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond. The most expensive mobile phone is the world had costed its owner as much as $48.5 million. The device is made up of 24-karat gold and is studded with a huge pink diamond on the back. The phone also comes with a platinum coating and hack protection. It is a prized possession of Nita Ambani, wife of Indian businessman Mukesh Ambani, the richest man of Asia. Price 48.5 million United States dollars.